Welcome to my channel. Fresh photos of the new Mercedes-Benz sedan have been published online, giving us our first glimpse of its appearance. The new 2027 Mercedes-Benz sedan will be named the E-Class with EQ technology, similar to the GLC with EQ technology electric crossover. The new electric E-Class will have a much more traditional appearance, with proportions almost identical to those of a conventional sedan with an internal combustion engine. The premiere of the new model is expected in 2027. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.